Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure passive income with Etsy step by step clearly.
Start by understanding what passive income is. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or ongoing input.
Etsy is a popular platform for selling handmade, vintage, and digital products.
Begin by brainstorming ideas for your shop. Consider your skills and interests when deciding what to sell.
Conduct market research to identify potential demand. Look for trending items or niches that have low competition.
Create a business plan that outlines your goals and target audience. Set up your Etsy account by providing necessary information. Choose a memorable shop name that reflects your brand.
Create high-quality listings with detailed descriptions and appealing photos.
Optimize your listings using relevant keywords for better visibility. Consider offering digital products, which require less time after creation. Set competitive pricing that attracts buyers while ensuring profitability. Promote your shop through social media and other online platforms. Join Etsy teams or forums to connect with other sellers and gain insights. Regularly monitor your shop's performance using Etsy Analytics. Adjust your strategies based on what sells best in customer feedback.
Develop a consistent branding strategy for your shop to build loyalty. Automate repetitive tasks where possible to save time.
Utilize Etsy's promotional tools, like ads or sales, to increase visibility. Stay updated on trends and adapt your offerings accordingly.
Finally, be patient as building a passive income stream takes time and persistence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.